Extreme is excited to announce the launch of bpmPro. With bpmPro, window dealers can run and control their entire business operations digitally. bpmPro takes all the manual processes needed to deliver a successful customer journey into a digital, streamlined experience that can be effectively monitored. From engaging the client, to managing the order, to delivering the service, to supporting your post-sales efforts. Stand out from the competition by creating professional proposals in less time. Save hours by keeping all prospecting information and quote negotiations in one place. Close more deals by relying on automatic reminders and follow-up communications templates. Reduce errors pricing of complex projects. All done in a single platform. Don't fall behind your competitors. Look us up at www.extreme.com.